Hello everybody and welcome to our third YouTube video. Dubai Hill Estate has become one of Dubai's most desirable communities. Families love it, investors love it, and prices have risen dramatically over the past few years. But with today's market changing, is Dubai Hill still one of the best places to buy, or has the opportunity already passed? Why Dubai Hills became so successful? It's because of master developer, master plan community, central location, and premium positioning, which is why the demand exploded. So Dubai Hills didn't become popular by accident. And why families choose Dubai Hills? It's because of Dubai Hills Mall right next door, the parks, the golf course, walking and cycling path, restaurants, community feel, safety, and a number of schools and hospitals nearby. This is one of the few communities where people genuinely want to live in and not just invest in. Schools and family appeal, gems and king schools, nursery options, easy commute. All of this create a consistent end user demand. From investment and performance perspective, historical appreciation since its launch, Dubai Hills has been one of the strongest performing master plan communities over the past several years. We've seen significant capital appreciation, particularly after post-pandemic recovery. Villas have generally outperformed apartments due to limited supply and a strong demand, while apartments have also delivered solid growth in well-located projects. That said, appreciation hasn't been uniform. Some projects have performed exceptionally well, while others seem to be more modest. That is why I always say, don't buy a community, buy the right property within the community. In terms of rentals, rental demand in Dubai Hills remains consistently strong because this is a community where people genuinely want to live in. Demand comes from professionals, families, business owners, and expats looking for modern lifestyles with excellent amenities and schools around them. Apartments generally achieve higher and more attractive yields, while villas tend to generate lower yields but stronger capital appreciation. Recent market analysis placed apartment gross yields around 5 to 7% depending on the building and unit type. The liquidity. By liquidity I mean how easy is it to sell when the time comes. And you should pay very close attention to this. Dubai Hills performs well because demand isn't just coming from one type of buyer. You have the end users, you have the investors, the locals, and you have the international buyers. When multiple buyer groups are interested in the same community, resale opportunity tends to be stronger when you're dealing with multiple segments of the market. Tenant quality. Another aspect that often gets overlooked is the tenant quality. Dubai Hills generally attracts stable long-term tenants, many of whom are executives, professionals, business owners, or families relocating to Dubai. That often translates into longer tenancy periods, better care of the property, and lower turnover compared with communities dominated by short-term or high transient tenants. And for landlords, that stability can be just as valuable as the rental yield itself. Now, ready units versus off-plans. It's also important to distinguish between the ready and off-plan market. In the ready market, buyers know exactly what they're purchasing. They can inspect the property, evaluate the building, assess the view, and compare prices against recent transactions. That transparency makes pricing more efficient, but in off-plan, it's different. Buyers are purchasing based on future delivery, developer's reputation, and expected market conditions at handover. DH continues to attract demand in both segments, but the investment considerations are very different. Personally, in today's market, I tend to be more selective with ready properties just because they allow investors to evaluate real performance instead of projections. Who rents here? The rental market in Dubai Hills is driven primarily by families and professionals. Typical talents include Corporate executives, entrepreneurs, professionals working in downtown, DIFC, Business Bay, or Dubai Internet City, and families who prioritize schools, parks, and quieter residential environment. This creates a relatively stable rental market compared to communities that depend mainly on short-term investors or holiday rentals. Who buys here? The buyer profile is equally diverse. Many buyers are end users looking for a long-term family home. Others are investors seeking a steady rental income combined with long-term capital appreciation. International buyers are also very active because Dubai Hills is an easy project to understand. It offers a strong infrastructure, a recognizable developer, and a proven track record. That broad appeal is one of the reasons the community has remained resilient through different market cycles. So when I'm evaluating Dubai Hills as an investment, I'm not just looking at one number alone. I'm looking at the complete picture. Historical appreciation, rental demand, liquidity, tenant quality, and the diversity of the buyers who continue to choose this community. When these fundamentals remain strong, it gives me confidence that Dubai Hills will continue to be one of Dubai's leading residential communities for years to come. Dubai Hills isn't just expensive because it's beautiful. It's expensive because demand has remained remarkably consistent. So is it still worth buying today? Not every property, not every building, not every villa. Pricing matters, floor plans matter, location inside Dubai Hills matters. Some opportunities remain excellent, some are fully priced. All of the above matters. Who is Dubai Hills right for? For families, excellent. For investors, depending on the project and objectives. For end users, one of Dubai's strongest communities. And for short-term investors, be careful. And as final takeaway, Dubai Hills remains one of Dubai's strongest residential communities, but unlike a few years ago, buying the right property matters more than simply just buying the right community. Today's market rewards buyers who focus on layouts, view, building, price, exit strategy, and not just the community name. If you're considering buying in Dubai Hills and would like an objective opinion about a particular project or property, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to evaluate it for you.